Hi everyone, I hope you are. This is CoinsKid. Just going to dive into XRP once again. Thank you for support. Okay, big up the CoinsKid crew. So I do think that XRP is in a technical target to around about $1 at the moment. You've got a lovely buy and go to the beach just there we formed last week. From there right now you're up around about 11% for XRP, which is amazing. And you can see the bulls go up the stairs, and you're slowly but surely trying to sort of make your way back up and break this high. And with that, you're going to come up to this level of resistance just there, and you're beginning to retrace. Okay, and this journey to these highs is going to begin just here. Let me show you something on the weekly time frame. Okay, we are beginning to put in a kind of beautiful little reversal pattern just here. Okay, so that's a key level resistance. Let me show you this. Okay, look at that. So look, that was that previous level of support just there. This major level of support and resistance. So that's what we're up against at the minute. That's a fight. We get on the wick just there. Okay, so that's a fight. That's what we're up against. This key level resistance. Look, you can see where you open and close there. Okay, so just here you can see that's where you lost support, and with that was a double M top pattern that we put in last year. Double M top pattern, depleting buying pressure. You can see with that, when you lost support, you came down, rallied into that resistance. We met the technical target of the double M top pattern, which we all traded together, you know, and the technical target we met. You rallied into that key level resistance just there, and then you put in that final low just there. Okay, so what we're hoping for is this low holds right now, but what you're doing is you're rallying into this key level resistance again, around about 91 cents I think it is. So if you can start to see XRP get back above and close above, that's really bullish structure within itself. Okay, and that's going to offer an amazing entry point to go long if you're not long already. Okay, because what you're starting to do here, you're starting to get back above the EMAs and you're creating this higher low structure. Okay, but what we're looking for is a higher high. Let me show you. Look, so we've got this beautiful reversal structure right now, and essentially some kind of large WW bottom pattern and an ascending triangle pattern like here. Okay, look, you come down, made your low, you got your higher low, and right now you've got a high just there, and we're looking to make a higher high than this, which confirms this breakout. Okay, and old back test for support, boom, you're out of there. Okay, and you're starting to put a beautiful impulsive break, you know, quite an explosive one as well, potentially something like this. Okay, we start to come up, you start to explode here for XRP, which would be amazing. So this is nice. This is the sort of structure you want to see. You know, you got your reversal patterns here, because if you do start to create this reversal pattern, you break out this ascending triangle and essentially a W double bottom pattern. I'm going to show you right now the technical break target will be from there to there, a bare minimal, and you can see that if you do start to come up and close the week out above that, getting above this key level of previous support that you lost and back test and turn into resistance, you see that if you start to see XRP close above 0921, that would be an amazing level of resistance, back test and turn into support, you know, closing above, boom, you got your breakout, and you're looking at like 141, and that would be, you know, that level of resistance just there, which you could potentially run into, come back for support again, and then continue with the trend, because at that point you really are breaking out here, and you can see this is your low, and you're beginning to retrace to these highs. Okay, and once you take out them highs, you know, you're in an explosive break here, and a beautiful target to the upside for XRP. So it's all about this key levels of support right now. You see this is ascending level of support just there. You've got that ascending level of support right now that you're holding. So if you continue to run into that resistance and coil up in this apex over the next few weeks, this would be amazing, and you start to come up. Okay, even if you do, you know, you run into that resistance and you come back, as long as you don't close outside that, okay, you can come down and have a wick like that. Look at that wick, potentially put some kind of big inverse head and shoulders pattern in as well. Look at that inverse head and shoulders pattern. But as long as you don't start to close outside that support just there, you confirm a lovely little ascending triangle, which will give you a breakout target around about $1.40 there for XRP. So, you know, a lot of people say, why have you got the target of $4.50? I'll show you exactly why. Okay, I've put two beautiful impulsive trades in here, you know, and I'll teach you everything. So look, everyone was really bearish at this point. Okay, you know, in 2020 we started to come up beautifully, and then we had that big flash crash. Okay, and it's at that point I'm dropping my fibs on. I'm going to show you right now. So there's your low and there's your high. Okay, and what XRP's done here is put in two beautiful impulsive breaks. Look, so you come up in a high, you know, capitulation of Corona dump, then you retrace to this high. And like I said to you, once you start to break that high and break the one fib, you do usually get to the 1618 minimal, and you can see that that particular target was met just there on the absolute cent and dollar. Look at that beautiful 1618, 73 cents. And at that point, you know, you take a bit of profit off the table, because XRP began to retrace to where it came back from. Look, there's your low, put an impulsive break 1618, and all you did here is retrace to this low, and you've held it. You know, you retraced. Nominal level of support before continuing with the trend. And that's all that XRP has done here. Okay, all that XRP is doing here is retracing to this low, because I'm going to show you right now. You're just doing what you did here. Came up impulsively, correctively, impulsively, and right now you're coming back correctively to that low. So providing you don't lose that low, you could still in a technical break target to the upside. Do you understand that? So, you know, this is nice. Everything XRP is doing is really nice. We do want a continuation, obviously, but there's no guarantees. But just here, when I started making my videos for you last year, you can see, look, this is why I had it on my thumbnails, that we're going to come up to the 1618 minimal target just there. And you can see, met it. Look at that, 1618. So, again, impulsive, corrective, impulsive, corrective. Right now, you're calling up. This is your low. You can't afford to lose it. If you do, you're coming down. It's nasty. But this is a really, really strong level of support for XRP. If you start to see XRP lose 17 cents, that's really, really negative, because you come up impulsively and right now you retrace into it. That's all you're doing. Okay. So yeah, that's basically XRP. But right now, because this is your low, just like that low and that low, that gave me that target there and that gave me that target there, each met on the absolute cent and dollar. Right now, this is why the next target for XRP at a bare minimal in this bull run is, I'll show you right now, it is around about $4.50, because at the moment all you've done is retraced, you've held it, and right now you're looking to come back upstairs, and that would be a minimal target for me, $4.54. You know, and like I said to you, this particular impulsive break is different from these previous two. This is an impulsive break, this is retracement, it's an impulsive break, this is retracement that you're going through, corrective phase of a bull market. Yeah, so right now you're calling up, you're looking for the continuation, but this particular scenario, this 1618 here, is different to these in the sense that this particular breakout here beats the all-time high for XRP. So at this point, this is where you could start to see it go parabolic, and it could actually start to run up to these higher fib targets just there. You know, you got 2414 at 1328, you got your 2.272 at 1097, you got the 2 fib at 760. So I would expect it to go beyond this $4.50, to be honest with you. Okay, it's going to be a key level of resistance, and I would imagine, you know, you're going to come into it, retrace, but I don't, that's what I'm saying, trying to say is I don't think it's cooked at that point. I think you're going to continue, but I do think this is going to be a key level resistance. Even the 1272 at 285 is going to be resistance. The 1414 at 3.45 is going to be resistance, because this is how it all works. Okay, you move up and down through the fibs, and that's all that XRP is doing here. You come back, you retrace, and right now you're coiling up, looking for the continuation. You need to see reversal patterns, and this is exactly what we're getting right now. Okay, so that's basically XRP. You know, I hope you enjoyed that little update. I hope you can understand what I'm saying. I hope you enjoyed the content, everyone, and thank you for your support, and thank you for liking the videos and your subscription on YouTube. Okay, take care, everyone. Back to another update on XRP. Stay healthy, stay strong, stay tuned. Take care, bye bye.